All right, I'm going to give this a taste test. This is the wasabi radish I had pulled out of the garden that had gone to flower. It's the only wasabi radish I had that actually formed a true radish head. It's probably going to taste woody and stuff because it went to flower, but I'm going to give it a try anyway. Yeah, it's definitely woody. Oh yeah. It's too bad though, because if you really like spicy, spicy, spicy radishes, this is for you, because it is hot as hell. Holy crap. Yeah, I don't think I could snack on them like I would a normal radish, but they'd be a nice addition to stuff for sure to like really bump up the get your mouth dancing quotient in your food. Holy crap. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to put them in my regular rotation of radishes though, because it's not something I would eat on a regular basis. But if you do like spicy, spicy radishes, this one is for you definitely.